He is the nation's builder, and his promises to the Asantehene is being recalled all the time. In the scriptures, we will have said the Alpha and Omega, as far as Akwasidae is concerned for the year 2025. His Excellency the President has been the Alpha and Omega of our Akwasidae, because he was here the first time of the year for the first Akwasidae, and he's here again for the last Akwasidae. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the Alpha and Omega of Akwasidae 2025. The President is here with a huge delegation, including the National Chairman of the National Democratic Congress, the man who is synonymous to our political dispensation, the man who lifted our politics to a higher standard. They call him the General Mosquito, Chairman Johnson Asiedu Nketia. The General Mosquito is here to celebrate the last Akwasidae with us. The President representative to the Ashanti region, the strong man who has brought a lot of innovation and creativity to the administration of the Regional Coordinating Council, Honorable Dr. Frank Asantehene is the Ashanti Regional Minister. The Regional Chairman of the National Democratic Congress, Chairman Nana Kwesi, joined the President to celebrate Akwasidae with us. Mr. President, we thank you for Chairman Nana Kwesi. I admire his calmness, his demeanor, and his cool nature. Chairman Nana Kwesi will not speak. He will not shout. He will not grant interviews, but he will give you the resource. The needed resource to be in power. That is what Chairman Nana Kwesi will provide. We thank you. And Chairman, we thank you for your calmness, for your demeanor, and for your leadership. The last time I saw the mayor of the Garden City in the rain directing traffic, that is a sense of duty. Your Excellency, we thank you for appointing the mayor for us, a mayor who is intelligent, a mayor who is proactive. Our mayor, Honorable Richard Ofori Boadi Zuba. Today is a solemn occasion to reflect on our gains and our achievements. And we are grateful once again to have His Lordship, Sir Dennis Ajay.
Baby, away. Mention your primo, and I will also say, and I could see the church or a fimo. I can't hear Santa Mamimono. Other than Nambia, you bria, I could see that. Now, I feel no woman and Pron. And then you church or a fimo. When an animal Asia, Adarima. Well, Yapaya was set in a pa, Amayura, Asantehene, Nenano, and no Omemunina. na ene die ayason kokora na se twa 20 Ghana mampani yewra John Dramani Mahama wane ne dam awa hanom afia hyase no wane yewra ene bedi ye na ekwa wie ye nso na akwasa bia mu ya chichire no na chire ye no na chichire ye dia kwahwe dia sabi ayese banu asu na banu kwahwe anunti na ama wane ne dom wa hanom seseyin abamre kwa so oba achiamen komo akwa aba ondo akochia yewura siamenhu chiamen kantankranchi
yeah. Now, Your Majesty, your son, your grandson, the Honorable Minister for Works and Housing, Honorable Kenna J, who has always been here to serve you and to pick advice from you. Your grandson, Honorable Ken Ajay, is with the President as the Minister for Works and Housing. Now, His Excellency the President of the Republic will go and exchange courtesies and pay homage to His Majesty Opemsuo Osei the Second, together with the National Chairman of the NDC, Honorable Johnson Asantehene Ketia, the Regional Minister, Honorable Dr. Frank Abagohene, the Regional Chairman of the NDC, Nana Kwesi, the Mayor of the Garden City, Honorable Richard Oforibuadi, and the Minister for Works and Housing, Honorable Ken Ajay.
For the Ghana Mampani, Adam Ebru, Eduha, so Sinabe Chow Ebru. Ghana Mampani, Eduha, Chow Tumfo.
His Excellency the President of the Republic. This year,
Ashanti Regional Minister, so Kocha Otumfo. Regional Chairman, I'm not going to see.
Hello. Sabre Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama. Wakwa mayura ade toche. Adente ena benshia.
Stop housing.
Adoswa. I was so benshia wajini tata, jini yo na kwa tena siye. Ghana Mampeni John Dramani Mahama. When any penny for a by your woman, a call a quacochia yura. Yura said, Dunkatia, a cajon. Asantehene Musua for when we young for Frank. I'm walking in.
Master, you mayor, they got your 2 for.
In 2026, the enviable Millennium Excellence Award will be held in the United States of America. Our true son, a son belonging to the royal blood,
The Padisi, you know.
Nana Ajiman Prempe, Ambassador Ashimorton, will be organizing the Millennium Excellence Awards in the USA in 2026.
Ofaruko MDC, you don't know. MC, you don't know.
Today we have a huge delegation from Washington.
I don't know.
Yeah, I was.
Marika say MC, you don't know.
And now, consider your Union and money member because you
And
want
that's what.
of free Washington, a British memo, America, or Babeka, your home, when you are a bit.
Delegation in charge of coordinating affairs of the Millennium Excellence Awards, which will be staged in the United States of America, led by Nana Ajiman Prempe, Ambassador Ashimorton. Today we have Mona Boyd, Dr. Ashley Milton, William Sadler, Mansa Sadler, Mauli Jebu, Jane Randolph Osei, Madame Teo Ethiopia, and delegation from Washington coordinating the affairs of the Millennium Excellence Awards, which will be held in the United States of America in 2026.
Opemsuo, Adam and Brew. The gentleman say, Adam and Brew. It's what I want people so.
Ambassador Ashimorton, leading delegation from the United States of America, and this delegation is coordinating activities of the Millennium Excellence Award 2026. The former Member of Parliament for Manchia South, the former Minister of Education former Minister of Energy, Honorable Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh Napo, is now exchanging courtesies with His Majesty and paying homage to the King of the Kingdom. Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh is the former Member of Parliament for Manchester South, and that is the constituency of the King. The former Minister of Education, who effectively implemented the free senior high school.
Chief Director, Local Government to Adam Ebru.
Can I mention a for about 2
That's your be headway no Adam Ebru.
Yapamocha Asantehene ye mo wudia enkodi so mesremo a wada roma na said ye wurachia me ebobo no ye nko ne saa said ye be ya obi ya betimi achi abie eye tenten a wobedi so abre yesremo ye kono moboye ne saa.
Mr. P.V. Joshua Boateng, a proud son of Ashtown, just exchanged courtesies with the
two for Achiame. Wadaroma, Obesena, Ebesena, Womana two for say every age na ha, near Hama, on one enana, on one ba, Nebibia, President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Say, ye started a faithful frono, a Kwaside Dikai. Now, Fini, a dynasty could now suffer for cry as President of the Republic of Ghana. Or by Eden Humijai, Ebesre Uho, Ishra, a futu near Quanche. And Passoso, a fimuni inano, what tie nechi, Wabuano, or Manania dimpa, a woman. I'm a new media or the goon and Isua, or Yedia Bogan and Nina from said yet. Na afeno kwa wiye na ya kwasida etwatoa president say what was said da edikai na ebro say watai na chi na afimu ni nyina na waboa na ma ne dwumadi a wadi as mampani waboa ma ni nyina atimi akosonti na ye ba ya oni aban mu mpanifu a wa Asantemantem ha nyina ya na mosonti wodi ya che no ana wodi afem ne say ye moa no na mamu enkoso. Regional Minister Mene Minia, a Works and Housing Minister, a Honorable Interior Minister, Honorable Deputy Defense Minister, MMDC is Nimeyo, any Abemum Penifua who do in Nakoye, Afishia Dano Yena Yaba, Yatai President Chi, Naya Banya Bemau at the Tochi. And to your 2 for Achame, a Western to 2 for say, the Nana no me baya, you cry some snap, Adaka. Whiskey, adaka, brandy, adaka bako, champagne, adaka bako, wine, adaka bako. Ye ba yesu swa ye se kra otumfo boamu ade. Achiame boamu ade. Akrachefo boamu ade. Otumfo abrafo boamu ade. Ehinkwa boamu ade. Echem ne ntahara boamu ade. Otumfo fontom from boamu ade. Otumfo driverfo boamu ade. Otumfo mema obo ho by security omobo amu ade omo eyi mfonyini photographers omobo amu ade otumfo videographers bo amu ade stewards bo amu ade otumfo kwadonfo bo amu ade ana otumfuo chiniyefo boamu ade eni dwampa otuadua do tumfuo achiame se ohun se yegina president anamu a na ye baasi ye bema otumfuo ade tochi
Mesubu said the region minister said no. Was in there? Only Ghana man penny, Ewa Opa, what the age na. Don't let us say, don't buy ya, let them bonibia. I feel 50 I say, I say, I don't make brew, because they decline. Some men didn't see Ghana man, Ejasu. Was my mamma Jean Shem fees at anyone more. They may be a meeting yet. Obama Ushrano, Utunfo, said the governor, Shannon Sa. Together, Shannon Sa, all you know. Not from the bill, not from your bit my piano. Onye, fact, when you find your Ghana mine, I will put you on the Duma. Some of prepare, don't look for us at Romoha, some of Buano. Now, footage by dinner say, and then a day try a free tour. Was there be my father said, I'm very right. Said the water by cheap, but mammy, dear, be a call from. Now, the same my self food, no bar, no other question, no. All apart from the bar. To foresaw their Sida. Sidani Kabiana de Bro. No Jewish, Safi Remono. The Waya Bruno, obey your trousers, not gonna mind any prepare fra. Or the no be no good aquamu, and it was as to mine Gana Mabecoso. The Nova Sida, no Jewish, the rifle funum, not Jumedia, or the Guacomono, what's my year. I feel I said, no, do I sit down, Sada Bro. So by ya, who told the same Japan trade. Bienu, Madame Brew, to for my dear, or the a snap, pentusia, whiskey, pentusia, brandy, pentusia, champagne, pentusia, wine, pentusia, Madame Brew, my dear, or Chammy, my dear, or Cassie for my dear, or him crab, my dear, two for a bra for my dear, a chairman to her, my dear, Madame Brew Phantom from my dear, or Dama for my dear. Security, bomb dear. When I photograph a bomb dear, video my bomb dear. I don't want to change a bomb dear. Quadrum for a bomb dear. I don't make brew, no steward bomb dear. What can you say? I don't know. The better was saying, no, what you sure said, why man on any so? I don't make brew or nay, no such a mind. When I come home, now can say we could never be ever. And so I don't make brew, but deep into those one virtually. Now I'm running on faster than I'm row. Or this channel, Oba, there will be a better channel. Oba, and antecedent. No. Two for don't I say.
Nana, Mummy Emperor, man, penny a pound for ye. Emperor, man, Emperor, man, penny a pound for ye.
We just do for the ones. Can you run once?